Latest transfer news amathema amaningi ayathenga engabe yakhe team iyathenga na sanibona bafethu uvanelo so namhlanje ngizoqala nje ngeindaba ezibandakanya uOrlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs. Orlando Pirates neKaizer Chiefs they are fighting to sign this youngster from ETS Galaxy. Nyamaze bafethu uMahlambi ubhuti wakhe kwayidlalela eBidvest neMamelodi Sundowns wahamba futhi waya le eEgypt oyodlalela iAl Ahly. So lo mfana omncane ke bafethu currently he is playing for ETS Galaxy and I can tell you this young boy is so good. This young boy is so good. Mina asafike nje kule team yeOrlando Pirates ekhona currently angafita as a glove because Orlando Pirates recently sold ubani na uRelebohile Mfukeng and mose ubheka indlela adlala ngakhona umfana omncane umjidi uyalazi ibhola. I saw him playing against Mamelodi Sundowns. Osikhathi ke Mamelodi Sundowns idlala nje igame enzima against CS Galaxy last season. Umjidi wayedlala ngempela and ke mina ngeke ngithuke mase ke Orlando Pirates iwine le race ukuthi ke imsayine uPhakamani Mahlambi but ke iKaizer Chiefs ayibekile phansi nayo iyamfuna ukumsayina umjidi but ke it is a two horse race right now. Singesa ukuthi ke iyipi team ezomwina mhlambe ke Sundowns mina sifike kule race le ingase imthole ubanina uPhakamani Mahlambi. Let's hope ke izinto izohamba kahle ama team amthole umdlali. Mina ungangitshela ama comment yipi team ezoyiwina le race le ukuthi ke imsayine uPhakamani Mahlambi. Ngisakuyona ke bafethu iTS Galaxy. Ngathi ke iTS Galaxy ihambile namhlanje eyoshanje ishopping yangempela because bebe unveila abadlali abasha ababasayinile. Ngizoqala nje ngomdlali okubani na abamsayine kwile Rumo United if I'm not mistaken ugama lakhe uSpesihle Tati. Kuthiwa ke umjidi udlala ngempela because bamnikeze ujersey number 10 currently. Yabo uyena uzoba ujersey number 10 omusha weTS Galaxy. Let's hope ke umjida uzodlala kahle. Another player abam-announcele namhlanje uNhlakanyipho Ngwenya. Omunye umdlali abam-announcele ubani na uKatenake Mhlongo. Another player uThabelo Chikweta. Omunye wabadlali kuba ubani uAzola Jakalashe. Omunye wabadlali kuba uLenon Mathebula. Omunye wabadlali kuba ubani na kuba uMpho Mawoke. Omunye wabadlali kuba uSimthandile Sishi. Omunye wabadlali kuba Aslin William. Omunye wabadlali kuba uBongani van der Heijden. Angimazi ke lo mjida lo mhlambe ke ubaba wakhe umlungu but ke isibongo sakhe sinobhuno phakathi yabo. Omunye wabadlali kubani na the former Mamelodi Sundowns defender uSifiso Ngobeni I reported regarding le signing le bafethu umjida ubejima nayo vele iTS Galaxy ku preseason. So bam-announcele ke namhlanje ngosikhathi be-announce abadlali. Omunye umdlali kuba uEdson Khumalo ukuthi ke umdlali wokugcina bamsayinile kuba uZuko Xabusa. Yabo abajida namhlanje bavele ba-announce nje i-team yonke. Yabo kufana nje ukuthi ke bebe bathola mahala abadlali indlela abenze ngakhona but ke babathengile abanye babo babathengile abanye babo babathole on a free transfer. Yabo let's hope ke labadlali laba njengabezoza nje ku Betway Premiership bazodlala ngempela kodwa ke abagcinanga phela ngokusayina abadlali kukhona abanye ababadedelile yabo because ngeke uzosayina abadlali abawu13 kanje I'm sure kukhona ozobadedela njengoba nje nalomfana lomncane owubani na kuMahlambi kuboya ngakuthi ke nayo uzohamba so kube kumele vele babathenga abadlali abaningi kanje abazokwazi ukuthi ke bavalele isikhala lesisikhona yabo. That is what I like about uTim Sukazi. Uyakwazi ke identify italent eliselincane yabo mase ke lidayisa ngemali eningi. Ngiyabona lo mfana lo Mahlambi usathanda kufika nje kuyona iTS Galaxy kodwa ke manje amathima amakhulu kwiBetway Premiership asefuna ukumsayina. Abadlali ababadedelile ubani na uMori Khieta kuba uMzwandile Dlamini kume ubani na uNhlanhla Mgaga mase kubo uSolomon le angikwazi ukupronounce igama lakhe umjidi ungasengangitshela ama comments lipronounce kanjani but ke uSolomon naye umjidi ke uhambile. Ibona abadlali laba bawu4 abasareleziwe so far. Maybe ke we are going to see some other players getting released kuyona iTS Galaxy but it looks like bashaya spring cleaning bazolanda abanye abadlali abasha bazojoin. Kwezezindaba eziphumile bafethu uWandile Mthombeni has joined iSwelele FC from iKaizer Stars. Umjida ke kubuka ngathi ke bokumdlali obevumba ngempela for iKaizer Stars. Kwezezindaba eziphumile ke iPolokwane City announce 2 signings okubani na okuMalebo Khomodisa umjida ke ubadlalela iChipa United ba-announce nobani na noLucky Malatsi umjida ke ubedlala le Orbit College. Lesopula baje bawu2 bazofika bedlale kahle kuyona iPolokwane City because ke iPolokwane City is one of those teams akwazi ukuthi ke maintain status sawo kade sayigcina kuyibona iPolokwane City ilezansi fighting for relegation yabo. So they know how to go on the market and find those players abazokwazi ke bayisize team maybe ke ihlale ku top 8 noma ke isuke nje lapha ku danger zone yabo. So I likely signing labayenzile from Orbit College. Kwezizindaba bafethu uRulani Mokwena, he was announced as the new coach of Inina Pyramids FC. He was announced yesterday, and ucoach ke akahambanga yedwa. I-technical team yakhe uhambe nayo, ndiyona le technical team azosebenza nayo. And you remember these two guys, obe ugoalkeeper coach Mamelodi Sundowns, maseke ba uformer coach wanina weChipa United. Lo mchida ngathini, like he can be a coach. I don't know what is going on ngamathima amaningi yabo, but he can be a good coach lo mchida lo. He has learned a lot from uRulani yabo. uRulani ngiyayithanda ayenzayo, he believes in working with abantu asesebenze nabo isikhathi eside yabo. So big ups to uRulani bafethu for not forgetting the people who have helped him at his lowest yabo. Let's hope abajita bazokwazi ke bayilethe iChampions League kwiPyramids. It seems like iChampions League it is the main priority kuyona iPyramids bafethu. Abamdedelanga lo coach le uyena oyisulele because akafunanga uyi-renew i-contract yakhe. Maybe ke there are some other teams afuna ukumsayina as their new head coach. Singesazi bafethu, nyalasi ibhola la Africa lihlezi li-complicated. Maybe uyakuyona le Al Ittihad le bi-coach uyena uRulani Mokwena, because there is a lot of money there yabo. Many people may ask themselves why uRulani Mokwena ededelile le. Maybe ke there are disputes regarding the player, a certain player who was playing for Mamelodi Sundowns. Maybe Rulani Mokwena wanted that player and the team failed to get the player. Maybe Rulani might try to persuade the owners of Pyramids FC in signing that player Oguri Piero Costa. Pyramids FC, they do have the money to sign the player. Maybe, I don't know. That is all I'm saying yabo. Kwezindawo bafethu, many people may ask themselves why Ibrahim Barnes hasn't signed with any team ekhona like kwiBetway Premiership. It looks like there are some legal issues behind the scenes with Imarumo Gallants and the player. Remember the player is a free agent. He is free to join any club of his choice. But there are some disputes behind the scenes claiming that the player is not entirely free. He's not entirely free. And if he joins any club ekhona kwiBetway Premiership, there are going to be some legal things that are going to happen yabo. So the player umchita akekho free yabo. He is not free. So any team that wants to get Ibrahim Barnes kumele maye kwinina Mayoni Marumo Gallants, which is a strange thing because the player signed last season. Maybe he signed a 1-year contract with Yona Imarumo Gallants, which is something that makes sense. But yeah, why are there any disputes akhona njengamanje? Was there a clause Yona contract yakumchida that stated that if the player played good for Yona Imarumo Gallants, maybe they are going to activate the clause that will make him stay for another season yabo. If a team wants to sign him, they have to pay Imarumo Gallants. I don't know. But yeah, I heard that Kaizer Chiefs is involved in signing yena with Ibrahim Barnes. And kuyena umshito ukuthi does he want to go to Kaizer Chiefs? If he wants to go with Kaizer Chiefs, kumele azame ukuthi akhulume nabaphathi ba Kaizer Chiefs asho ukuthi kunenkinga ezikhona regarding i-contract yakhe. Kaizer Chiefs have to pay the team okuyiMarumo Gallants. I don't want to talk a lot about this yabo. Agagabi indaba iphumile. Nami ngiyashare nje nami ngikuzwile.